Petter, stay close to me.
Okay, Mom.
Olivia, can you help me get some fruit?
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Petter, hold my hand. I want to walk alone. No, it's busy here. Okay, Mom.
Dad, do we need apples?
Yes, we need 5 apples.
Mom, can I see the toys?
Just for a moment. Wow, so many toys.
Stay next to me. I like this car.
It's nice. It's nice. Petter, where are you? I'm here. Petter?
Mom, where are you?
Petter?
I can't see, Mom. I feel scared.
Dad, Petter is gone.
What?
Olivia, stay with me.
Okay, Dad.
I will look near the toys.
I will check the front.
I want my mom. What should I do?
Mom said stay in one place. I will stay here.
Petter, please answer me.
I see a worker. I can ask for help. Huh? I can ask for help.
Excuse me.
Huh? Yes, little boy?
I am lost.
Don't worry. What is your name?
My name is Petter.
Where is your mom?
I don't know, Nasai. I don't know.
It's okay. Stay with me. Stay with me. I can't find him.
I can't find him. Stay calm.
Let's ask the staff. Good idea.
Huh?
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir?
Our son is missing.
What is his name?
What is his name? His name is Petter.
Okay.
We will make an announcement. Thank you.
Good.
I am scared.
You are safe.
Your parents will find you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I hope he is safe.
He will be okay. That's him!
Let's go.
Let's go! That is my name!
Yes, that's you.
Petter. Mom.
I was so worried. I'm sorry.
Petter, are you okay?
Yes, Dad.
Don't run away again. recession.
I won't.
What did you do?
I stayed and asked for help.
Good job.
Good job. Thank you.
I was worried too.
Sorry, Olivia.
Always stay close.
I understand.
And remember our phone number. Okay.
Okay. Let's finish shopping.
Yes, Mom.
Hold my hand, Petter. Okay. We need milk.
Huh? I see it.
I see it.
Petter, stay here. Stay here.
I will.
I feel better now. That's good.
That's good. That's your side.
Are you still scared?
Are you still scared? A little.
It's okay. Prasta. It's okay.
I'm safe now.
Let's go home soon.
Yes. I learned something.
What did you learn? Stay close and ask for help.
That's right. And don't panic.
Okay.
Okay.
You were brave.
Thank you.
We are proud of you.
I'm happy.
Safety is important.
Yes, Dad.
Let's pay now.
I will help. I will stay with you.
Good boy.
Do we have everything?
Yes.
Let's go home! Yay! Hold my hand, always.
Today was scary.
But we learned. I will be careful.
Yeah.
Good.
Me too.
Great.
Great.
Family stays together.
Yes.
Safety first. Always.
Always. I love my family.
We love you too.
Stay close.
I will.
No more getting lost.
Never again.
Good job today.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
You did the right thing. You did the right thing. I remember.
Ask for help. Yes.
Apps my
Traditional.
sure.
Stay calm. Stay calm.
Yes. Stay in one place.
Whoa. okay? That's very important. I know. I know. Let's go home now.
Yes!
Everyone ready?
Yes!
Hmm?
Oh,
I'm ready. I'm back too.
Me too.
Let's go. Let's go.
Good family day.
Yes.
Even with a scare. Wow. Mm-hmm.
True.
We are safe now. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Home time.
Yay! Ice cream later? Ice cream later? Yes, please. Only if you stay close. I promise.
I promise.